Making white, the science of color mixing.
Hello and welcome to the fascinating world of colors. Today, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic: how to make white color by mixing other colors. This might sound counterintuitive at first, because when we mix various colors in paint or crayons, we usually end up with a muddy brown, not white. However, the answer lies in the difference between additive and subtractive color models.
Understanding the additive color model.
In the additive color model, colors are created by mixing light of different wavelengths. The primary colors in this model are red, green, and blue. When these colors are combined, they create the color white. This is why the screens of televisions, computers, and smartphones can display white. They are combining these three colors of light at full intensity.
Understanding the subtractive color model.
The subtractive color model is the one we are more familiar with in our day-to-day lives. This is the model used when we mix paints or inks. The primary colors in this model are cyan, magenta, and yellow. When mixed together, these colors absorb or subtract all colors, resulting in black. This is due to the fact that each pigment absorbs some wavelengths of light and reflects others.
Can you make white color with paints?
No, it's not possible to make white by mixing other colors in a medium such as paint or crayon. This is because paints use the subtractive color model. Mixing all colors of paint together results in a muddy brown or black, not white. In paints, white is usually achieved by using a separate white pigment. In conclusion, to create white color, it depends on the model you are using. In the additive color model used in light, mixing red, green, and blue creates white. However, in the subtractive color model used in paints, you cannot create white by mixing colors. Instead, white is usually a standalone pigment. We hope this video has been informative and has helped shed some light on the science of colors. Stay tuned for more exciting color experiments.